So we discussed in the previous class regarding the username, user mod, right? User administration, right? User mod. So user mod is to modify a user account properties without deleting the user account, right? What is that? Yes, user administration. Cool. Okay. User mod to modify the user account properties without deleting the user account. Right, guys? Something like what is that? User mod options, user name, union. So, what are the options, guys? Options we already know, right? Options, options we already know, right? Hyphen u, user ID, hyphen G, primary, group ID, hyphen capital G, secondary group ID, hyphen S, shell, hyphen C, comment, hyphen D, home directory. Right. So you already know the while using the user, right? User creation, home directory, shell, everything. So user modify also, we can modify whatever you want. Add a user to multiple secondary groups. Multiple secondary groups and only one primary group. Only one primary group. Oh, right. So what is that user mod? Scholar user mod. Hyphen capital G. Group hyphen a user. Okay. So this is the group guys. User mod hyphen G. User mod hyphen G. Group hyphen group user. So to to remove a user from a secondary group. So to remove a user from the secondary group. So what is that? G pass WD hyphen D username group name. Okay. So to delete the user, guys, how you can delete the user? User del. What is the command, guys? User del to delete a user account. Okay. So what is that, guys? User del. User del options union. So what is the options, guys? The options are something like a. So you want to delete the home directory or not? So what are the options? Options like hyphen R, recursively, delete everything. Recursively delete everything by using this command. Okay, hyphen R, hyphen F is nothing but a forcefully. Hyphen F delete forcefully even if the account is logged in. Hyphen R is nothing but a delete forcefully even if the account is deleted. Guys, understood? User del options username. Okay. Example. Example. Something like user del user one. So user del user one. So it will delete the user, remove the user account, remote account, but it won't delete his data. It won't delete his data. So user del hyphen rf user one removes everything. Removes removes everything related to user one. Removes everything related to user one. Guys, understood? So, so when we are creating a user account, the password file, DB file, group file, right? When we are creating a user account, when we are creating a user account, slash etc passwd is the user's database file. Okay, slash etc shadow, right? Shadow is nothing but a user's passwords file. User's passwords file. Slash etc group slash etc group information file. Understood, guys? If you delete, if you edit, if you modify, so these files will be, these are going to update. These are going to update. Guys, understood? And the home directory, home directories will be created. Directories will be created under the slash home username. So it will be created under the slash home username. Guys, understood? So what is this? What is the ID? ID, right? So ID username. What is that? ID root. So what it? ID username. With this, you will you will get user along with the groups also. Along with the groups also. Groups information info. Groups info. Has understood? Yeah. So the next one is chase command. What is that command, guys? Chase command. So what is the chase command, guys? Chase is nothing but a change the age. What is that? Change change user password expiry information. So what is this? So it will change the user password expiry information. Okay, it will change the user password expiry information. Right. So the companies are this is an important command, guys. So this is the companies are when you join the company, they gave the laptop to work with you, right? So that laptop username will be reset or something like a changing every 90 days. How we can do it? So now I will show you. Okay. So for example, you joined the company, user something like the desktop engineering team gave the desktop to you, and they created a password for you, right? That password will be shared by the desktop team. So when you log into the server, right? When you log into the machine, so you use the same password, whatever they gave the password. We need to change the password after immediate login. After immediate login, you need to change the password because of the desktop engineer also know the password. Know the password. You need to change the password after login. After login, right? I will show you. What you guys do? The chase command changes the number of days changes the number of days between password changes on the date of the last password change. Okay, so this information is used by the system to determine when the user must change his password, change his or her password, right? So change options options username. What is that, guys? Chase options username. So what are the options we have, guys? So we want to D. Hyphen D is nothing but a set date of last password change. Hyphen E is nothing but a set account account expiration date. Capital I is nothing but a set password inactive after expiration. After expiration. Hyphen capital L show account aging information. Chase hyphen L will shows the age information. Small m set minimum number of days before password change. Capital M set maximum number of days before password change. Hyphen W capital W set expiration expiration warning days. Set expiration warning days. So what is that, guys? Example. So what is the example? The example is chase chase hyphen L hurry. So what it will display? It will showing the password aging information. Password aging information for the user Tom. User hurry. Right. The password information for the hurry. Right. So what are those? Let's check it. So I want to change the D is nothing but set the last password change. I want to set the last password change. Change hyphen D is nothing but a date password change. Zero is nothing but a immediate. Zero is nothing but a immediate. We'll change the to preempt to preempt user to change password at first login. What is that, guys? Password to first login. Guys, understood? So this is nothing but a user administration. User administration. Guys, understood? Ajay, Siri. Guys, understood? Huh?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So change username is there. Huh? User and Hari. Chase Panel. Passwd. Passwd Hari. Red hat. Red hat. Red hat. Red hat. Okay. Chase Panel. Hari. Chase Panel. So the last password change is May 16, 2025. Password expires never. Password inactive never. Account expires never. Minimum number of days between password change. Maximum number of between days password change. Number of warnings. So right, mm, chase hyphen D 0. Chase hyphen D 0. Hurry. Okay. Chase hyphen D 0. Hurry. Let's try to log in. Or chase hyphen. You see, guys, it is changed. The last password must be changed, must be changed, must be changed. So now I am logging to new session. Sorry, duplicate session. So what is that, guys? You logged in as a Hari user. Hari Red Hat. You see, guys, you are required to change your password immediately. Hyphen root is enforced. You must change your password. No one login again. So changing the password for the user, changing a password for Hari. So current password. What is the current password? Red hat. Okay. Changing as a sent OS. Sent OS. What is this here? Duplicate. Root. Red hat. Right. Sorry, root. Not root. Right. Exit. Duplicate session. Hari. Red hat. Red hat. What is that? Sent OS. Enter 1, 2, 3. Sent OS. Enter Sent OS. Enter. Okay. Oh, shit. Duplicate. The password change now. Hari. Okay. You see, guys, password is changed. Password is changed. Yes, understood? Yeah. So this is nothing but a user, guys. User del, user mod, user add, user del, user mod. Right. You see, user user mod hyphen u 10102 Hari. That exists 1020 or user is currently using the process. Okay, it's logged in. Exit user mod on you. Is changing guys. ID Hari. It will display the user ID, group ID, and groups also. Okay. User del Hari. So right, see it will delete the user cat slash etc passwd pipe grep home. If I Hari is not there. Right, cd slash home. You see, Hari is the home directory is not related. RM RM Hari. Right. So if you want to delete everything, you can use user del hyphen rf aj cat slash cd slash home. You see, Ajay is deleted. Ajay is deleted. Guys, understood? So ID username means nothing but a. With this, you will get the groups information, the user information, everything. Right. Let's try this. Yeah, we need to install the key. Okay, guys, understood? Guys, understood or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, right? Yeah. So the next concept is file permissions. What is that, guys? What is that? So file permissions, file or directory permissions. Guys, file or directory permissions. So for example, is right cd slash etc ll. It will display the file and direct. Hmm. You guys understood? So what is this hyphen D? Hyphen is nothing but file. D is nothing but a direct. So what this is RWX. What this RWX guys? So this is related to owner permissions. Owner is nothing but a who logged in as root user or Hari user. So this is nothing but a group permissions, and this is nothing but a others. So what that others guys? So others is nothing but a who created this folder. Group created. Group is something like a group to. Others are like Bhatten, Hari, Siri, Ajay, Ashok. These all are other space. What is that? So Hari, Siri. So these all are others. Understood? Yeah. What are the permissions? So the permission is RWX, R-X, RX, RR, what these are. In the numerical format, read the permission or read equal to R, so that is 4. Numerical format is 4. Next, write the permission icon W. What is that? Permission is 2. Next, write, execute. Read, write, execute. Execute is nothing but X hyphen 1. Numerical format is 1. Yeah, here guys. So what is the format for, what is the format? 4 plus 2 plus 1 equal to 7. What is the permission guys? 7. Guys, here hyphen, hyphen is nothing but a 0 guys. What is that? 0 permission. 0 permission. So what is this here? 4 plus 0 plus 1 equal to 5. Okay, here same. 4 plus 0 plus 1 equal to 5. So what is the permissions guys? 755 is the permission. So what is the permission we have? 755 permission. Guys understood? Guys understood?
Yes, yes,
Yeah.
Aryan.
So now you understood the 755 permission. So 77755 permissions. Okay. Hmm. What is that? Now you understood the permissions, right? Yeah. Here we need to discuss one thing. Okay. Okay. So what is that? UMask value. What is that mask value? User mask value. What is that mask? User mask value. So UMask value for root user is 0 double 2. So UMask for normal user, UMask value is 002. Okay. So based on this UMask value, the permissions will get. Okay, I will show you now. So root user. So what is the permissions? Full permission is 777. So 777 is nothing but a owner having 7 permissions, owner having read write execute permissions, group having read write execute permissions, others having read write permissions, right? Then so 777. So 777. So you can minus the normal permissions. So 755. So 7 minus 2, 5. 7 minus 2, 5, 7. So what is the permissions, guys? So the permission you will get as a root user. Root user, right? This is the root user. So the permission, when you create a directory, you will get the which permission, guys? You will get this permission 755. Now you understood? So when you create a directory, so why we are getting this permission? Because of the UMask value. As a root user, you log in as a root user. You logged in as a root user, you will get the 755 permissions. You logged in as a root user and you will get the 755 permissions. Okay. So normal user is nothing but a hurry user, for example. So what is the permission? So full permission is 777 002. Okay. So subtract 775. Okay. When you create a normal user, when you create a normal user as a directory, you log in as a normal user and create a directory. So you will get the which permission guys? 755 permissions. These two are related to directory. These two are related to directory. So for example, F5. file you will get how much? So what is the per file you can use the 666 permissions. 666 minus 022. What is that, guys? 644 permissions. As a root user, you will get the 644 permission. As a normal user, you will get the 002. What is the permission you get? 664. 664. So you will get this permission as a file. So if you create as a file as a normal user or a root user, you will get the 644 permission, and normal user will get the 665 permissions. You guys understood? So what this is? This is a file. File is nothing but a, what is that? 4 plus 2 plus 0, 6. 4 plus 2 plus 0, 6. 4 plus 0 plus 0, 4. 4 plus 0 plus 0, 4. 4, 4, 6. 644 permission you will get as a root user. You will get as a root user. Guys understood? Now you got the permissions. Now you got the permissions. How we can change these permissions, guys? How we can change these permissions? Guys, tell me how we can change these permissions by using command call it as a chmod. What is that? Chmod is nothing but a change mode of file or directory permissions. File or directory permissions. Guys, understood? Chmod, a file or directory permissions. Right. I want to change this to 777. I want to change this to 777. How you can change it? Chmod. So 777 Blujay tech. So it will change the permissions to 777. Let's see. mkdir Blujay tech. Yes, I'm logged in as a root user. What is the permission you will get, guys? Which permission you will get while creating a root user as a directory? 777 minus 022. 777 minus 022, you will get the 755 permission. Let's say LD blue tech. Guys, what is the permission? 755. 755 permission you will get while creating a directory as a root user. As a root user, you will get 755 permissions. I want to change the permissions. I want to change the permissions. How we can change it? chmod 777 blue jet. Let's see ls-ld blue jet. You see the permission is changed from so 755 to 777. 755 to 777. Guys understood? Guys, guys speak out, guys.
Yes, Ravi.
Understood, right? Next. So cd blue jet, nothing is there, right? I want to create a, yeah, I will create here. cd or mkdir class 1. cd class 1. mkdir class 2. cd class 2. Touch array.txt, array1.txt, array2.txt. Okay, the files are created. So right, pwd. So you are under the root, under the there is a class 1, class under the class 1 there is a files. Okay, cd ls, right? So you are in the class 1 directory. So what is it? ls-ld class 1. So what is the permission you get? Got the permission RWX, RX, RX, right? Yeah, I want to change the permissions. I want to change the, if you use the chmod permission, the parent directory only will change it. I want to change the permissions, parent directory as well as subdirectories and files. Let's see. Chmod 777 class class 1. You see? Yeah. Class 1 is changed with the same permission. Let's go to class 1. You see? So this is not changed in the class 2. Yeah. These permissions also will not change. I want to change everything. So for example, in the parent directory, class 1 is the parent directory. If I change the class 1, it will change within the subfolders and files also. Within the subfolders and files also. How we can change it? Guys, chc.lsc cd.sls. So now, what is the permissions we have? RWS, RWS, RWS. I want to change it. chmod 755 permissions as usual. So now the class 1, within the class 1 there is a class 2. Within the class 2 there is a files hari1.txt, hari2.txt, hari3.txt. Okay, I want to change everything. I want to change everything. Chmod hyphen capital R. What is that? Chmod hyphen capital R. So chmod hyphen capital R. It will apply on the parent directory, subdirectories, and subfiles also. Blue class. Sorry, what we did mistake here? Scribble saving class 1. Let's see class cd class 1. Okay, you see everything is changed. Cd class 2. Let's see. These also changed. The permission also changed from 644 to 777 permission. Guys, understood how you can change the permissions, file permissions. Yeah. Next, what is this, guys? What is this? This is a root. What this root? What this root? So root is a user. This is the user. This is the group. Okay. User, owner are a group. A group having root is the group and user is the group. I want to change the ownership as well as group. I have changed the files permissions like chmod. I want to change the group. I want to change the owner. I want to change the owner also. How you can change it? Can change it by using cho root means hurry, tech, invalid user hurry, user add hurry. Okay. Cho hurry dot usage. You see? So before it is root, you change the ownership from root to hurry. Okay. I want to change the ownership from ownership group ownership root to hurry also. How you can change it? Can change it by using chgrp group hurry Blujay. You see? Here group also changed. So chgrp is nothing but a group. Ch1 is nothing but a owner. So owner, this is the owner, this is the group. If you want to change the owner, chgrp. If you want to change the group, if you can use chgrp. Ch1 is nothing but a user. Chgrp is nothing but a group. Guys, understood?
Yes.
Guys, yes, yes. Yeah, here also. Here also, a folder, a directory contains the subfolders and subfiles. How you can change the same ownership to the all the directories, subdirectories, and files? So same way. You can use same way chgrp hyphen capital R. It will recursively. It will it will add the same permission to parent directory, subdirectories, and files also. The same way ch1 also. Ch1, chgrp, and crystal mod, chmod, ch1, chgrp. These are the three commands we discussed. Guys, understood? Is that file combinations? So file combinations. So what are the files we need to change? Is ch1, change modifications in the file or directory. Ch1 777 file or AR name. chmod hyphen capital R 777 file or EAR. So file or directory name chmod hyphen R chmod hyphen capital 777 file or directory. So it is what is that? Recursively it will change it to folder directories and subdirectories from files as well as okay ch1 user owner file directory ch1 hyphen capital R owner file directory chgrp owner file directory ch1 hyphen capital R owner file directory. Guys, understood? This is nothing but a file permissions. These are nothing but a file permissions. You can change the file permission by using characters also. R plus U is nothing but a user. R for example, W plus G is nothing but a group. X plus O is nothing but a others. You can change this way also. But this is the better way. It is easy to understand. Okay? Guys, understood? Understood? Understood?
Yes.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
right.
Yes, sir. We will practice.
Yeah, you guys can practice it. It will be very easy, guys. If you practice right, it will be very easy. Okay? Thank you so much, guys. The class will be from Monday. Monday, one second, guys.